the library technologist here at JFK High School, and it's a great community, a great library, especially since the renovation. We got some new furniture, some new shelves, some new carpet, some new paint. Acoustics are better in here since the renovation. All of the furniture is like quieter. We used to have these hardwood tables, hardwood chairs, and some pretty industrial style carpet, and now it's just much cozier, much quieter. People were very passionate about getting it right and making sure that the students' comfort in here was first and that the open, inviting nature of it was highlighted.
I think the student reaction has been overwhelmingly positive. I think the students were going from a library that was perhaps a bit outdated and didn't have the most aesthetic look about it to a library that's really comfortable, really cozy, but also so functional for what the space needs to be. And I don't know if you guys have had a chance to see outside of the library, but there's some beautiful lights that can change and it really creates excitement for going to the library.
I think this is one of the best places in this building for the students to be. Many of them want to be in here. This room is bustling during off periods, during lunch.
Yeah, it's like very quiet and peaceful. You could read, learn stuff, and extend your knowledge. I like everything. Mostly the furniture.
Favorite piece of furniture?
In this room, yeah.
I would say these chairs.
Can you do a spin on the chair?
Yeah.
What I want them to feel when they come into this library is they are welcome and that they understand that all of these books are theirs and this is their library and their space.
Denver voters, thank you so much for giving Kennedy students this space. It really opens up a lot of doors for them, and we're so thankful to have it.
Thank you, Denver voters.
Thank you, Denver voters.